Hi, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll be unboxing this air purifier revitalizer with LED light, no mist 1.8 liters. You can check video description for the shop link. Air Revitalizer are scenting machines used by salons, spas, and clinics. It purifies the air and releases fragrance. I bought it on Shopee, but it's also available on Lazada or AliExpress. I also bought 15 ml Thailand Spa lemongrass scent. It comes with a free 5 ml peppermint scent. Air Revitalizer or Purifier are non-mist machines. It releases scent by circulating the water with fragrance. This is perfect for people having trouble with molds growing in their room due to humidity. You can leave it on for 12 hours a day, just make sure you let it rest for at least 3 hours. I love how it freshens up the room. I highly recommend it.